How to fix unavailable videos or hidden problem. So if you want to fix unavailable videos or hidden problem, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your browser and then go with your YouTube, go with the playlist where you have unavailable videos. So in my case, as you can see that here it says there are 3 unavailable videos and they are hidden. To remove this message, you need to click on the 3 dots which will be right here and then go with show unavailable videos. Once you do that, your unavailable videos will be shown. Scroll down a bit and you will find the unavailable videos, which is right here, and some more right here. These are the footprints of those videos that you have uploaded or assigned on your playlist but later deleted. So these videos are no longer there, but their footprints remain in the playlist, and these footprints of the deleted videos are the reason for the message unavailable videos are hidden. To remove these footprints, you need to click on the 3 dots which will be on the right side of that video and then select remove from followed by your playlist name. You need to do this for all of your current deleted videos and it will be removed. Go with the 3 dots again, go with remove from your playlist name. Now you can refresh your page. Once you refresh it, it won't show you the error. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.